This tool is one of the fastest ways I've seen to turn a research idea into an actual academic proposal. Let me show you something. Go to Google and search CitedEvidence. Go to this first one and create your account. I will put link in the description for you so you can also try that. Now, once you log in, go to Proposal and Literature section and open the Research Agent. This is where everything happens. You can already see options for proposal writing, methodology planning, and full academic document generation. Now watch this carefully. I am going to start with write a research proposal on effect of mobile health applications on diabetes self-management. I will proceed and click the arrow. And this is the interesting part. Instead of instantly throwing random text at you, the tool actually starts building the proposal step by step. You can literally see it. Searching papers, reading documents, creating sections, generating citations, and structuring the proposal automatically. This is honestly what makes it feel more research-focused instead of just another AI writer. Now let's let it cook for a bit. And there we go. Now we already have title page, abstract, introduction, literature review, problem statement, research questions, objectives, methodology, conclusion, and references, all generated into separate academic sections. Look at the formatting here. Everything is separated properly like an actual university proposal draft. Now let me show you how I usually review it. The abstract gives the full overview immediately. Then, the introduction builds context around the topic. Now here's the literature review. This is where most students spend days manually organizing papers. But here the tool already structures the discussion around the topic. And the nice thing is that the citations are already integrated into the text. Now let's go to research questions. The tool creates focused research questions directly from the proposal topic. Then objectives. General objective, specific objectives, already separated. Now, the methodology section. This part is honestly useful for beginners because it structures study design, sampling, data collection, analysis methods, and research approach automatically. Now, another thing I like is the workflow itself. You're not forced to generate everything in one go. You can literally guide the agent section by section. For example, you can type, expand the literature review, or make the methodology quantitative, or add recent references from 2024 and 2025, and it updates the document live. This makes editing way easier compared to restarting from scratch every time. Now let me show you something researchers will probably love. Inside the reference manager, you can manage captured papers, references, and linked research sources. This becomes really useful for systematic reviews, dissertations, thesis writing, and evidence-based projects. Now imagine doing this manually across 20 browser tabs. Exactly. The tool starts retrieving literature, structuring sections, and building the proposal automatically. So this isn't limited to one field. You can use it for medicine, nursing, psychology, education, business, public health, computer science, basically any academic discipline. Honestly, for researchers who struggle with starting, this removes a lot of friction. Especially if you don't know proposal structure, struggle with academic formatting, or spend too much time organizing sections manually. And that's basically the workflow. Start with a topic. Let the research agent structure the document. Review the sections. Expand what you need. Refine the proposal. Export when ready. Simple. And that's how you can use CitedEvidence to generate a complete research proposal from start to finish. You just enter your topic, let the research agent build the sections, review the citations, refine the content, and export your final proposal. For researchers, students, and academic writers, This makes the whole process much faster and way more organized. So if you're working on a thesis, proposal, literature review, or systematic review, try CitedEvidence and see how much time it can save you.